said those dudes who said they are Jews do, but are not, but are Pentagons of Satan. Beware what you about to face it. Because they would have the crown of Judah motherfucking right. Niggas ain't devil. Niggas God, niggas devil. I'm the motherfucking devil. God bless me. Follow me to heaven. I'll follow me some lane that is to have. Say, say you never been born. Drunk as you. God said the bottom would be the head and the head would be the bottom. I'm drunk as fuck. Guess what? I'm the head. God said so. So you want to live, follow me. I keep doing fuck y'all doing. God come to judge y'all. Now wait. He is safe. You're born man. You're born man. Suck dick. Boy, suck dick. Firm suck my dick. Not much more better. Yeah. Yeah. Right now. You're gonna be a shoe baggy. Suck my dick. Step up! Fucking baggy! Fucking baggy! Step the fuck up! That niggas is sucked! Suck my fucking dick! Any problem, you got a problem on the straight with me telling you or your wife to suck my dick. Step up! I don't want your fucking money. Y'all burn in hell with your fucking nickels. Die. God come, y'all burn in fucking hell with your nickels and fucking die. Burn. I don't want your fucking penny. More shit. Right? Like I don't understand. Guess what? They catch your fucking face. So when God come and he said it's over, he's gonna know the people that get their niggas down. You kick your niggas down and put up on your fucking asshole. Straight up and down. Your mother can suck my dick. Grandmother suck my dick. Your great grandmother suck my dick. You got a problem? Step up now, bitch. Like knock the fuck out God break. You won't step now. That bitch is cow. When God come, that nigga's gonna be an eternity.